attended a local private school for her primary studies. But later he joined a reputed university for further studies. But other than that, he is a hallucinator. Elena Divia career and profession. She had a keen interest in modeling since childhood. However, it is known that she started modeling while studying in college. After that, she started focusing exclusively on her online career. Elena then once considered herself a hallucinator, meaning she is heavily influenced by visions or imaginary perceptions. Elena Divia is a famous internet personality from Indonesia, image via Elinos Facebook. But she is also called the Chameleon Queen. She then became more popular in February 2024 after a video of her playing volleyball went viral on the internet. Not only that, most of these Elena videos have gone viral on the internet. He has even gained thousands of followers.